Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you get your extension, how to show your extension of your file. So let's get started. So I am here in my folder. You can see here there is not shown any extension. So here is Excel, here is text, so it's not shown which extension it is. So for that we will go on search and type here run. Just click on run app and then go to control panel. After that, going here, search for your file explorer. You can see here file explorer options. Click on that and then go to view, and you just come down and you can see here hide extension for known file types. So here is ticked, so just untick this and apply. Now if you go to here, you can see here it's showing all the extension of the file types. So you can see it's text and it's shown a txt, excel is xlsx, and it is photo and it's on jpg. So in this way you can know your extensions, and so this like this you can show here any extensions. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates and more awesome videos like this. So thank you for watching this video.